Well, this is my version of Walthers blast furnace. Here's the front of it. Coming around here, this would actually be in here to come from the coke plant. So it'll be stored in here. I got little bins underneath the high line. The high line has separated bins down there to funnel in the material that gets dumped on the high line. I got little people. It's lit up. I got lights in the blast furnace, but you really can't see them until you start looking down there, which is sort of nothing. They don't really show through the thick plastic and the paint on the outside. I got little cars with lights in them. Coming down here, that's a high line. High line to go on downhill and be on downhill for several more times. This is Walthers electric arc furnace. Really can't see much inside of it the way it is. So of course, I made it so I take the roof off. I got lights. And again on this one I got little lights inside the furnace, but really can't see them either. And this is made this magnets, steel plates. So you can take this off and get a look at it if you want to. Yeah, that's not glued down there. I don't understand. I still need to figure out what I'm going to do with maybe drilling a hole in here so the ladle can stick down in there and get, actually looks like it could possibly be filled. The way it is, a bottle car would be dumping it and be dumping it on the ground because this is way up above the, anyway. La-di-da, that's the way things go around here. One step forward, two steps back. So I'm still working on the arc furnace, trying to figure out how to get this stuff working. This is got a heavy duty crane. These are the buckets. These little wheels that turn and supposed to go up to here to these things that turn. And yeah, that might be a while. I'm not too good at sewing things. And this is the one that started it all. Remember this thing, this nasty thing that's about twice the size it's supposed to be, or 10 times the size. Anyway, I did get another rod to replace the standard nut that I got. The one that first one I bought had a different thread on it, so the nuts wouldn't turn on it. And he finally ended up sending another nut, but not nothing. So anyway, I bought this one from someone else. I also figured out how to get past that wanky doodle lifting stuff. What it is, I got another rotational wires. This is going to be the tube, goes on this end, goes to that, gets supported somehow. Probably end up having to go through wood so I can get the wires up and out where they're supposed to be. But the idea here is I'm going to be using servo wires, just 26 high strength, highly flexible servo wires, and probably something like this or something. But anyway, have them only that far apart. Well, anyway, servo width apart. So the servo wire, since it's flat and I'll keep rolling up, it won't be able to get sideways and get loopy on one side and straight on another and have it be like this. That's not what you want. So you want to be able to go up and down, straight up and down, to lift all the stuff. So everything's torn apart. this was the base underneath, and you see the glue, that new fancy glue they got, supposed to be wondering better than anything. It's worthless. So I'm going to stick with good as nails or whatever that stuff is, the regular stuff. Even that's changed, man. It used to be you could put the glue on a piece of wood, glue on a piece of wood, stick it on a cement wall, and it just stick there. Now you have to drill holes through the wood to get the glue to stick. So everything's going, oh, yeah, California, I hate you. Oh. Yeah, and I must be about done though, because I'm out of glue. So here we go. I'm out of glue, out of time. And here we go. This is the arc, electric arc. Got wires for a transformer. Don't have it on the outside. Don't have any wires coming from nowhere. And to get wires to here from the other side, from the powerhouse, that's a whole lot of cables, a lot of wires just hanging in the wind. So that might, I don't know what I'm going to do. Maybe just have a little pole in the ground running up to it, so like everything on the ground. Yeah, 400 watt or 400 volt, billion watt cables underground. Yeah, you can just walk on the ground and have your hair stand up in the edge. So this is it. Walthers blast furnace. There you go. Goodbye.